We're going to be tightening the emergency brake on a Generation 3 Prius. This is a 2010. We're going to use a 10mm socket. We've got the pedal fully depressed to expose the little nut that we have to loosen up. And this is about 10 years old. It's never had the emergency brake tightened, and now when you push it in, it basically doesn't hold the car. If you're on a hill, it wouldn't hold it. So you want to periodically tighten this up. So we're getting in here and we're looking. Here's the emergency pedal. You go up the shaft there, and there's a little 10mm nut. Get the socket on there, and I'm going to turn it left to loosen it. And then there's another nut underneath it, which is the one you want to turn to adjust it. This first one is just to lock it down, and the other one allows you to adjust it. So I'm going to take this nut off, and then I don't know if the socket's deep enough to reach it. Let's try it. Yeah, not quite deep enough. We'll see if we get a deeper socket. But I'm going to be turning that 10mm to the right. That'll tighten this up. Let's do that. Get you a deep socket. We have a deep socket now, and just tightening it up a little bit, turning it righty-tighty or clockwise. See if we can get this to be tighter when we put on the brake. There's our nut. Still going a little tighter than I did before. Okay, give that a try. All right. Definitely feels better. I'm going to go a little tighter. So I have it part way depressed, and that's just, I'm not pushing it all the way down, but it just puts that nut where I can get to it better. If I release it all the way, the nut moves like this, and I can't get to it unless I remove a panel. So I just have it part way depressed. So you really just need a 10mm deep socket to do this. All right, let's see if that's better. Yeah, it feels like it's engaging now. Cool. Okay. I'm just going to put that little lock nut back up there now to hold it. Here's that little lock nut, 10mm. I have the pedal depressed to make this more available. You can see there's a lot more shaft now because of how much tighter of an adjustment that was. But that was basically 10 years without any adjustment. So I'm using that same socket to put on that 10mm nut that locks onto the other one, and then you're pretty much done. Probably do this about maybe once a year. If you drive with your emergency brake on, which is never a good idea, it's going to wear it out. You might have to do this even sooner than within a year.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.